How's it guys? How's it guys? Welcome back to another live session today. I hope you guys are doing well. Looking good here. We're in a long for WorldCoin. WorldCoin is looking really good here. I actually did take this a little bit earlier, but we actually re-entered at the current market price. WorldCoin looking absolutely really good here. The reason why we're taking the setup is we're having a breakout right now. So if you look at WorldCoin, we were trading within this downtrend, right? So you can see right over here, you can see price 1, 2, 3, and then what happened here was a breakout, right? So price was basically trading within this channel. Okay, so we were trading within this channel for WorldCoin, and we actually just broke out right now, and we've had a beautiful retest on the 1 hour time frame. So this looks really good. We managed to take a long here for WorldCoin, looking to target these range highs, and if WorldCoin can maybe get back up to this higher 2.15, it's definitely possible, because the thing is, WorldCoin, if you look at the daily time frame, right? If you look at the daily time frame, it's looking like it is a little bit of a double bottom. I'm expecting it to push back up to these highs over here. It's a bit oversold, to be honest with you. WorldCoin's really oversold right now, and I am expecting price to just move a little bit higher here. So we'll see what happens. Looking really good for a setup. So if you guys haven't taken the setup, still looks really good. Okay. So let's see. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you guys do, if you guys can, just retweet and repost this live session. That would be amazing. But it's looking good here for WorldCoin. This is the only trade I'm currently in right now, because the market, to be honest with you, the market, I'll go over Bitcoin and obviously a lot of other coins just now, but the market is slowly recovering a little bit here, and I want to show you guys something really important. Let me just change this view. There we go. That's way better. Okay, so WorldCoin long, guys. WorldCoin long still very valid. Still looks really valid. And then look at this, guys. This coin right over here is SSV, guys. So basically, I want to show you guys something. I'm looking at a potential setup here as well. Looks really decent. And the reason why I'll show you guys the setup is because, have a look here. Let's change this to a different color. Okay. I don't really like that color. Let's just do this. Okay, so look at this, right? So basically SSV, we're kind of just ranging from this low to this high. Okay, you can see that currently right now SSV it's at quite a critical level right now. You can see that we do have to break above this level. So we do have to break above this level over here in order for this to start moving a little bit higher. So overall, for me to take a long for SSV, I do have to wait for a breakout of this level. Okay, because at the moment we are still getting rejected from this level, right? So if we break out of this level, then we can definitely take a long for SSV. But right now we're not really seeing any breakout as of yet. So we just have to wait for price to break above this level. Once we break above, we should be good. Yeah. But right now it's just sitting at a little bit of a level here. We can't really look to do anything. We have to wait for price to close above. Once we start closing above this level, then we can take it long. So I'm gonna look for potential long here for SSV once we start closing above this level here. Okay, this would be the setup. We have to close above the zone. Once we close bullish above the zone, then yeah, cool, we can take longs. But until then, we just have to be patient. So currently just only really in this WorldCoin long. That is pretty much the only setup we're currently in. But I want to speak about something quickly that's very important that you guys should understand here. So it's USDT dominance, right? So the reason why I'm kind of bullish on some coins this week is because USDT dominance is still holding, right? This is basically what I'm looking at, right? So if you look at USDT dominance on the weekly time frame, like we're doing right now, basically we all know that USDT dominance shows you the correlation, the inverse proportion to Bitcoin and crypto, right? So essentially, what is happening right now for USDT dominance is we are seeing price getting rejected right now. And essentially, we need price to, in order for Bitcoin to carry on going down, we need price to close above this weekly high, right? But because USDT dominance is still holding this level, we can potentially see quite a nice bullish week this week. because obviously we know that if USDT dominance comes down, crypto goes up. So this was a really good weekly closure, really strong weekly closure here. So as long as price stays below this level, this is still very relatively bullish for crypto for the week. So that is kind of what we're going to be looking at for this week. So overall, this shows you a good correlation, but the inverse proportion between Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, so essentially, let's see. So basically, this is good. This is why we are looking more for longs this week. This is why we are looking more for longs this week. And essentially, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay. So yeah, let me know what your guys' thoughts on the market, because right now, just currently in a altcoin long, like I said, there's not much else happening. The 4-hour candle did close bullish. It did close above the range here. So I'm expecting this to pop off. I do think that altcoin is going to pop off here. This is pretty much the only setup that we're looking at. The 30-minute and the 15 close really bullish. Yeah, and it's a nice bottom wick here. So I would expect this to look really good here. So let's see. Yeah. Overall, like I said, guys, the market is at a quite a difficult situation now, especially for Bitcoin. So if we have a look at Bitcoin quickly, let's have a look, because Bitcoin is dumping a little bit here. I want to show you guys something that is very important for Bitcoin. And the thing is, right now for BTC is this daily resistance, right? So this daily resistance at around about 58,264, right? That is your daily resistance, right? And as long as price stays below this level, we're probably just going to chop a little bit, potentially come back to these lows over here at 52K. Because right now for Bitcoin, it's at a critical zone. It's at a critical zone, right? We are getting rejected from this level. We did have a beautiful daily closure yesterday with a nice bottom wick, and we didn't take out these lows. So right now, if we look at BTC, actually, like on the lower time frames, like the 4-hour, we're going to get into this a little bit here. This is starting to form a little bit of a W structure. This is starting to form a little bit of a W structure here. Starting to form a little bit of a W structure here, but it's looking good. It's looking good. I think Bitcoin could potentially take out these highs today, 58,308. I do think that is looking like we might see that. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. So essentially, guys, what I'm looking at for Bitcoin is pretty much a little W over here. And if pricing stuff is high over here, we can look at for potential upside. Okay. So we'll see what happens. On the 1-hour time frame, we're still holding this little bit of a trend over here. This is a little bit of a ascending triangle over here. So essentially, guys, what I'm looking at here is to Bitcoin to break out of this, a little bit of a wedge. We'll see. This is essentially what Bitcoin needs to do. If Bitcoin can break out of this little wedge with the day, then yeah, cool. Longs are valid. But as long as Bitcoin stays below, then yeah, can't really do much. So while we wait for some setups here, guys, I'm just going to quickly, I do have to do something, so just give me a minute. We are obviously long on Bitcoin here. We are long on, we're long on WorldCoin. So we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens here. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Like I said, for Bitcoin, we're waiting for Bitcoin to break out of this little bit of a wedge here. Remember, the price has to start closing above this level over here. Because right now, Bitcoin's getting rejected, right? Bitcoin getting rejected. So we need price to obviously break out of this little bit of a pattern here. So let's see what happens. Right now, just in this WorldCoin long, so we'll keep this open. I think that this is a good setup. We'll see how this plays out for today. Remember, this is these are the TPs. So the TP1 is at 2.032 and TP2 at 2.159. Okay. So let's see if we can maybe get up to those zones there. I'll play some music. I just have to quickly do something. Hold on. How's it going? Sorry, I'm back. Essentially, guys, look at this for WorldCoin. This is the trade setup. This is pretty much the only trade I'm in right now, and the reason why this trade just looks really decent is because we're getting a little bit of a breakout, right? And if you guys just join, essentially, WorldCoin is breaking. It is breaking a very strong level. So basically, you can see our price came down, retest. Look how strong this level is. And right now, we actually just broke out. So I'm expecting price to just come back up to these highs over here. I'm expecting a nice little breakout here for WorldCoin. And essentially, if WorldCoin can hold the support over here, okay. So basically, if WorldCoin can hold this 1.88 support, then I do think that we are going to see quite a nice move for WorldCoin today. And remember, guys, Bitcoin is starting to break out over here. Bitcoin is starting to break out, and we spoke about it. We spoke about this just now. And essentially, guys, we're waiting for Bitcoin to break above these highs, right? So we're waiting for Bitcoin to break above these highs. I'm expecting Bitcoin to tap into this daily resistance. That's looking like we are going to get a breakout. The market structure is kind of a little bit choppy right now. It's a little bit choppy, but essentially, it's looking like we are going to get a breakout here for Bitcoin. Okay, so we'll see. We'll see. So let's see what happens. Awesome. Yeah, if you guys are new to this, make sure you guys, if you could, would be highly appreciated if you guys could check out my Twitter here and just repost the stream. That would be amazing. If you can just repost this. And if you guys want to comment, let me know what coins that you're looking at, because essentially I'll go over all the coins that we are going to be trading. So yeah, if you guys could just retweet and like this, it would be amazing. Yeah, that would be really, really good. But anyway, WorldCoin looking good. Bitcoin's about to break out. So there's a lot of exciting things happening right now. And the thing is, in order for us to take trades, guys, we need to stay cautious here, because this is essentially this could be the breakout day, right? This could be the breakout day. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see what happens here. What's happening? Hey man, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing good. You wanna have a look at Gary, right? You wanna have a look at Gary? Yeah, I'm doing good, thanks. Not too bad, thank you. Yeah, like I said, guys, Bitcoin is breaking out here. It's about to break out. This is really bullish. This is really, really good. Yeah, Bitcoin can break these highs. This is really good. Bitcoin short. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. Can you look at Gary projects? Yeah, sure. I'll have a look now. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at Gary. Yeah, we were looking at that high over there for Gary a couple of weeks ago. I mean, it did get invalidated, to be honest with you. Let's have a look. I mean, the weekly low, this is pretty much the lowest point. And we've tapped into it last week. So I guess like Gary is pretty much at a bounce zone. Gary is at a bounce. Thanks, man. Gary is at a bounce zone. So essentially, like if you really love this project, this is pretty much the lowest point you could ever invest in. And yeah, you're looking at quite a good move back up to these highs, around about 100% move. So I do think that this could bounce quite nicely from this level. I really think that this is a good bounce zone. It's pretty much a double bottom. So you can see once we tap into the zone, we see quite a nice reaction. So we could potentially see that definitely. Okay. So Gary looking good here, guys, for a bounce. So make sure you guys, I mean, if you guys are looking at a potential, it's looking like a good 100% move to the upside. Okay. So we'll see. Gary looking good for a bounce here. But like I said, guys, if you are just joining the live stream, essentially we are on a long here, guys. We're in a long for Bitcoin. Sorry, for WorldCoin. Like I said, WorldCoin is pretty much the only coin that I'm really interested in here because of the breakout, right? The breakout, and the thing is, Bitcoin is attempting to break out right now. Bitcoin is attempting to break out right now. So it's going to be very, very important to see what happens here. So if Bitcoin can essentially hold this level, if Bitcoin can hold this level, then cool. Yeah, we might see a bit of upside today. So Do you trade with a bot? No, I don't trade with a bot. It's just manual trading, manual trading. I don't trade with a bot. Yeah. So basically, guys, I'm looking at this for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to break out here, guys. Bitcoin's about to break out here, guys. Do they have a bot? Also check out. Do you trade? Check out if possible. Okay, yeah, sure. Oh, look at WorldCoin. Beautiful move, yeah. Beautiful move, yeah, for WorldCoin. Yeah. So WorldCoin, guys, this is basically the setup. It's looking absolutely beautiful, yeah. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Okay. So guys, like I said, Bitcoin's breaking out. Bitcoin breaking out quite hard here. Okay. So essentially, this is good, yeah. This is really good. And the reason why this is good is because Bitcoin has been multiple times. And the thing is, right now, if Bitcoin can break this high over here, then yeah, cool. Longs are valid to 58,300. But yeah, you can see right now we're starting to break out. Yeah, we're starting to break out. Looking really good. Yeah, looking good. Yeah. If you guys are new to the channel, would be appreciated if you can just like and repost tweet. Yeah, if you guys are new to my Twitter, essentially, guys, I do post my setups here, and I also have a Telegram group. So make sure you guys, if you want to join the Telegram group, let me know. We do post. I posted this trade in the Telegram group with WorldCoin. We posted a little bit earlier. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that. Everything's free. We don't do payments. We just want to help each other grow. Okay. Let's see. So essentially, we need Bitcoin to break out here, right? We need Bitcoin to break out. Essentially, 57, 500 is a zone. So we'll see. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Because basically, guys, if Bitcoin can break out here, if Bitcoin can if Bitcoin can actually break above this level right over here, this is so important, right? Because the thing is, right now, if Bitcoin is getting rejected, right, it's getting rejected. But the thing is, this is good. The more we tap into these zones, we're gonna get quite a nice push here. Yeah. So this 30-minute candle is looking good here for WorldCoin. Like I said, guys, we currently just in a long for WorldCoin. I think that WorldCoin is really strong today. Probably the strongest coin for today. The reason why I say that is because the structure of it's just looking great. Structure really looking good. So we'll see. Looking really, really good, yeah. Overall markets still holding. Still holding. Yeah, looks good. Let's see. Let's see. It's so important right now, right? Because the thing is, if Bitcoin can't take out these highs, I don't think that we're gonna see. I don't think we're gonna see that push. I don't think that we're gonna see that push. Bitcoin has to break these highs. Essentially, it's at such a critical zone, right? Yeah, let's see. Bitcoin's struggling here, guys. Bitcoin is struggling here. So let's see. Let's have a look if we maybe see some other setups. Um, there are a couple coins that are looking really, really good. Like if we look at Ton on the weekly time frame, guys, is really, really bullish. So like look at this chart, guys. So essentially we Ton is we came as low as 6, but look how it's respecting this level, guys. Look how it's respecting this level over here. It's really, really bullish. It's really, really good. As long as Ton respects this zone over here, because this was like a massive invalidation candle. This was almost like a fake out to the downside for Ton. So essentially, this was quite a big fake out for Ton. I mean, I think that Ton on the weekly time frame just looks really, really strong. On the daily time frame, looks like we're definitely going to see 7.5 within this week. It's looking like we're definitely going to get a bounce there. Yeah, it's looking good for Ton. Overall, really, really, really bullish on Ton. I think Ton's one of the the coins right now that are going to do really, really well. So I think it's looking good. Ton's looking good. Overall, looks like we're going to see a bounce here for Ton. Okay. Yeah, so look at Chainlink, guys. Chainlink last week, it's quite interesting. I took a short uh when was it yesterday. I ended up just taking some profits on the short because it wasn't a follow through trade. Just didn't really give much. Didn't really give much. Bitcoin's breaking out. Bitcoin's breaking out. Bitcoin's breaking out. Check it. So this is important, right? So Bitcoin is breaking this level here. And essentially, guys, did we get a 30-minute breakout? We didn't. So that's bad, right? So the problem is right now, it's not like, oh, here it is. We're getting a move, getting such a good push here. Okay. So guys, basically, guys, Bitcoin's at such a critical zone. The problem is we have to wait for the 1 hour candle. I'm not really gonna take a setup here for Bitcoin unless we get the 1 hour candle to close above the zone. So you see how important this zone is right over here, right? It's so important. So we need Bitcoin to obviously break out here. We're obviously looking like we're seeing quite a nice push here. Yeah, looking good. The 1 hour for WorldCoin looks really good as well. Like I said, guys, this is the trade. This type of structure, it's a really good structure. So just picture this. You break out, retest. It's a really bullish structure. So this is essentially what we got over here. This is essentially what we got right over here. And essentially, guys, we'll see how this plays out. It looks really good. This could take the whole day. I'm not saying it's going to take right now. Take off right now. This could definitely take a while here, but WorldCoin looking absolutely so good. And then Bitcoin starting to break out. Bitcoin starting to break out, yeah. Bitcoin is starting to break out, yeah. So this is important. This is very important for BTC, right? So essentially, we need to see follow through here. We can't see a rejection here. We need to see follow through. We need to see like a nice little 30-minute breakout. That would be amazing. If we can get like a 1 hour candle to close above this level, then your cool longs are valid for Bitcoin. And then essentially we can take longs back up to. I'll be looking at a long up to here. The problem is, I don't know if we're going to take out this daily high as of yet. The thing is, because Bitcoin's at such a critical zone right now, it has to definitely take out the highs, right? So, but we all know that Bitcoin on the daily time frame is right over here. We're looking like on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, we're getting a nice little push to the upside. So overall, I do think that we're gonna see a little breakout. We might even see a push. Let's have a look on the 30 here. We have a bit of a fair value gap over here. Okay, guys. So look at this. This is quite interesting. This zone over here. I do think that we can see Bitcoin hit the zone today, around about 59K. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. The market's looking good for upside. Yeah. So let's see. It's important for Bitcoin to hold this level. We need 26 minutes. We need price to break out here. We need price to obviously hold because right now it's at a critical zone. At a critical zone, yeah. Oh, that's interesting. 83 million US dollars worth of Pepe was transferred to an unknown wallet. That's crazy. That's gonna be interesting. Let's. I want to see what Pepe is doing. I want to see what Pepe is doing. That's weird. I don't know if they want to try sell off Pepe. That's interesting. It's very interesting. Anyway, let's see. I don't really like Pepe on the structure right now, so I want to just wait. I want to see what happens for Bitcoin here. I'm honestly only really concerned about Bitcoin because Bitcoin can't break out. Then I don't think that WorldCoin trades going to play out as well. We need Bitcoin to obviously break out. Yeah. Well, here it is. Okay, so basically, yeah, guys, I mean, Bitcoin, it's looking good. We're starting to retest these levels. I want to have a look and see. I want to have a look to see on the book map. I want to have a look to see on the book map here, because guys, essentially, Bitcoin, like right now, is breaking out, but we need to see the levels, right? We need to see the levels, because essentially, yeah. So have a look here. So around about here, 58, 150, 58K, yeah, 58K. 58. We're probably going to see this today, guys. What I'm expecting is we're seeing a breakout right now. Okay, so this is obviously bullish. Yeah, look at the 5 minute. The 5 minute just broke out beautifully. Yeah, I'm expecting price to just move higher here. I'm not going to take it long here because I do want to see how the 1 hour candle closes, because this could just be like a 5 minute invalidation candle. You know, but looking good, looking good. Bitcoin breaking out hard, yeah. This is the setup. You guys did join me. We're on this altcoin long. I think that this is a good setup. We'll see how this plays out. We need Bitcoin to obviously follow through. We need Bitcoin to break. But overall, looking good here for altcoin. Like the 1 hour candle looks really, really good. I like the retest of the previous low. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin still looks really good on the 1 hour. So let's see. Okay, yeah, but I think I'm gonna end the live stream in like 1 minute here. Like I said, guys, Bitcoin is essentially looking good. It's breaking out on the 15 to 30 minutes. Overall structure looks really, really good. So everything's looking good here for longs. Yeah. Yeah, I do appreciate everyone joining today. I hope you guys do have a good day. But essentially, Bitcoin, just waiting for Bitcoin to break out in the 1 hour. And yeah, WorldCoin long still look good. So yeah, cool.